Welcome back to the channel Prayasi Telugu Vlogs, where we explore the fascinating world of Indian jewelry. Today, we'll be focusing on the timeless gemstone, Kasu Mala, also known as the gold coin necklace. Kasu Mala has a long and fascinating history, having its roots in South India, where gold coins were used as savings and investments. Over time, these coins were transformed into a beautiful and meaningful decoration. The original designs were simple, with gold coins strung on a thread. However, as time went on, the design evolved to include intricate craftsmanship and various regional variations. This traditional ornament has more than just material value, it holds a deep cultural and social meaning. Join us as we explore its rich history, various design variations, and the legacy it carries. Kasu Mala is more than just a gold piece, it is a cultural and social symbol that is passed down from mother to daughter. It is often used as a gift on special occasions such as weddings, as it symbolizes blessings and good fortune for the newlyweds. Today, there are many variations of the Kasu Mala, such as the Lakshmi Karam Mala, which features gold coins with an image of goddess Lakshmi, Nakshi Karam Mala, which is a combination of gold coins and intricately carved Karam Malas, Guttapusal Mala, which is an amalgamation of gold coins and beads and gemstones, Kempu Mala, which is adorned with ruby coins, and Pachi Mala, which is adorned with emerald coins and radiates a peaceful and elegant charm. More than just gold, the significance of Kasu Mala's Kasu Mala is not only a gold necklace, but it is also a symbol of tradition, heritage, and culture. It is a timeless piece of jewelry that has been worn by generations before you. However, it has evolved over time to meet the needs of modern fashion. Nowadays, designers are incorporating lighter weights and adjustable lengths, as well as fusion designs. It is a versatile piece that can be worn on a daily basis. If you are looking to create your dream Kasu Mala, you can do a few things. You can choose a coin design that resonates with you, choose a weight that is comfortable and personal preference, or opt for a gold weight. You can also choose a design style that is traditional, like Nakshi designs, or more modern, like minimalist styles. Many jewelers have customization options, so you can make your Kasu Mala unique and personalized. Do you love Kasu Malas? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to leave a comment below and tell us what you love about the Kasu Mala. And while you're at it, subscribe to the channel for more captivating stories and insights into the world of Indian jewelry. Thank you for watching.